This video explains what a worksheet tab is. In simple terms, a worksheet tab is a labeled control that lets you switch between different worksheets inside the same spreadsheet file. Each tab represents one worksheet. Worksheet tabs exist because a spreadsheet file can contain multiple worksheets. The tabs allow you to move between different sets of data without opening a new file. A worksheet tab is not the same as a cell, row, or column. It is not the worksheet's data itself, and it is not a file name or file icon. It is not a separate file or the same as opening a new workbook. A worksheet tab is a navigation control that represents one sheet within a spreadsheet file. You do not need to memorize this. You only need to recognize when you're switching between sheets. You usually see worksheet tabs along the bottom edge of the Excel window. Each tab displays the name of a worksheet, such as grades or budget. The Active Worksheets tab appears selected. This diagram organizes the idea of a worksheet tab. Use it as a reference if needed. When labeled tabs at the bottom of a spreadsheet let you switch between sheets, that is a worksheet tab.